Right, I'm going to start with a chain of 40, so that's quite a long one, and bear with me because I might miss some of it out in the middle. That's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. You can do more than 40 if you like, but we're just doing 40 for now. There's quite a long chain there. And what we're going to do is to hook some of these chains onto the hook, all right? Measure to where you want to hook in and just keep that on the hook. So now you've got 2 loops on there. So we do the same again. Measure, hook in, and you've got 3 on the hook. Measure, holding these 3 together, measure, hook in, you've got 4 on the hook. So we've now got 1, 2, 3. We've got 4 loops and we've got 3 petals here. We're going to make a flower, so these are petals. So we do 1 more. So you hook in, keep that one on the hook. So you've got 4 on the hook. Now you can see where we did 40 chain because there's just a small amount left over at the end. So we're going to yarn over and pull this through those 5. There's 5 loops. There are 5 loops on there. So we're going to pull it through all 5 and then make a chain and just tighten that up a little bit. Okay, and then we're going to carry on again and make another 40. So count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Okay, so let's just have a look at that flower that we made earlier. It's got 4 petals. Okay, there we are, and it's on a chain. So that's a nice thing to do. So we've got 40, so we can do it again, and hopefully when we get to here there'll be a bit of chain in between the 2 flowers. So we'll have a look. I'm doing all this again. Hold it about here, just a short distance, about ½ centimetre away from the latch there. And then we're going to measure. Instead of counting, it's easier to measure. So this is how to measure. And we're going to hook in where the end of the hook lands at there. So we'll hook in there and just keep that loop on the chain, on the hook. So you've got 2. And we're going to keep going, so we've got 5 on the hook. So we've got 2, 3, 4, 5, and yes, we've got a little bit of chain left between the 2. Okay, so we yarn over and pull that through all these loops and pull it tight, and then make a chain. So that's your next flower. I've got 2 now. You carry on like that. Leave some yarn to tie, and then gently pull that up. And that can be tied around your wrist. Make a bracelet. Okay, we'll leave it there. Hopefully you have a go at that. That's a new idea to make a nice flower on your bracelet, and perhaps put some other things in between that you've learned. Bye for now. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.